breakup. It's not even a kind of breakup video, but I just want to share it with you. Guys, welcome to my channel. Happy New Year. So today we're going to be doing a recap of last year, and I'm going to show you my growth journey and everything I did last year, and definitely prospective plans of 2022. And today is the 3rd of January 2022, and I'm going to tell you everything that happened last year. So let's go back to last year. Last year, January, it was not the best time for me. January, I was sick. I lost my uncle in December, and it was really tough. Family issues, but January was okay. Came February, I was getting better health-wise. March, nothing much happened. I traveled a lot within Cameroon in January, and from January to March, always transitioning between here, the Northwest. April, so I started working on the project in April. Like I started building that in April of last year. Okay, last year of January, I started dancing lessons, but I did it in January and February, and I just stopped because first my boyfriend didn't want me to do that. Second, I was not feeling too well, so I stopped dancing. I'm telling you guys all this because I want you to know the various changes in my life, the various areas and decisions that I have taken in order to improve myself. May is the most transition period of my life because I had to break up with, it's not even a kind of breakup video, but I just want to share it with you. Really down, guys. So I was really down for a period like May, June. Now what kept me busy during that period was my work at my NGO. I started thinking of starting a YouTube channel to start impacting or sharing my little ideas, skincare and so on with you guys. And I'm not gonna tell you who I'm dating now, if I'm dating, all these things and blah 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 blah. I'm not gonna share that with you here. But I just wanted I mentioned that because it was a transition period in my life, and it affected a lot of my activities and a lot of things in my life. That's why I mentioned it. Other than that, I would not have mentioned it, and that things really took a turn. Then I just decided to really focus on myself. I started driving school in October, and I'm done with that, so now I'm a driver. And I work out and I stop, and I work out and I stop, and I work out. But this time around, guys, I've been working out for 2 months at least, most of the time, though I have, but at least I've been consistent, and I don't intend giving up. Transform my life. That's changed me. It helps my mental mind, it relaxes me, it makes me to sleep well. In fact, it's awesome. I really encourage you, especially if you're going through hard times, or if you're going through stress or any other mental issue. Again, I watched my video, the last video I posted on YouTube. I did not like it. I don't like the way my body looked. I don't like the way I was last year. That's it, guys, for last year. So for this year, I have my vision board. Definitely, it's something that I would advise you to do if you do not have any vision board. It must not be a vision board. You can always write it down. Write what you want to achieve for 2022. Like, I'm not gonna tell you what I want to achieve for 2022. I'll tell you just one thing. 2022 is all about me. It's about me focusing on myself. Yeah, so this year I want to focus on myself. I want to learn new things. I want to learn new skills. There are a lot of things that I've always wished to do. The bottom line is this year is about me, and I'm not going to make the mistake I made last year. And it's very important for you guys to know that Life is a learning process, and if you want to keep moving and you don't want to keep stepping on one spot, you have to learn from the past. If not, God is going to keep you on that spot until you learn what you have to learn. So always dream big, always dream big, focus on your dream. I want to be consistent with you guys. The reason why it's a little bit difficult for me, because I could make this kind of videos where I just talk to you and that's it, but that's not how my videos go. I can't just sit and talk to you, and to me it's boring. It's boring. I like different footages, images, transitions, and so on and so forth. So it's a little bit challenging. Again, I've dropped some things. Yeah. I've dropped some things, guys, so that I can do other things, because time is the only thing that cannot be refunded. Any time spent cannot be refunded. The time, don't joke with anything. You can joke with money, but not time. Time does not go back. It doesn't. It goes just forward. That's the secret. So I have to drop some things in order to work on other things. So guys, see you guys. It was nice talking to you, being with you, and as always I feel like not to go, but I gotta go. So guys, thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. Please do share this video with your loved ones. Support your girl. That's it. Meet me on Instagram, TikTok. Oh my god, it's fun. So guys, so just stay positive, stay smiling. Have a wonderful day. Bye.